deal with it. Take me some drugs. Might fuck up a 10 and a 10 and a 10 and I did it one night and it's all in the club. I'm breaking the brick and the bag and the bag and the brick and the bag and the call in the plug. My main and my side of the main, no cut in the middle. Let me drive.